Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Patricia. Today I'm gonna share my full coverage makeup routine with you. I'm not a pro, I'm not a certified makeup artist. I just do whatever suits my skin. I have dry skin and I put liquid foundation, powder foundation and translucent powder, contour powder and blush on my face. So a lot of powder will be on my face today. So before I start my makeup, I always use moisturizer. I prep my face properly. So I suggest you, before you put tons of product on your face, moisturize your face properly. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. So you can see that I did my eyebrows because I don't want you to be bored. Bullet. And I also primed my eyes with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and set it with translucent powder because I want to have a smooth surface for my eyeshadow. And I applied my under eye mask because I'm gonna put full coverage foundation, full coverage concealer and full coverage translucent powder too. And it is really very sunny outside, so I'm gonna do a brown basic eye makeup. I'm using my Huda Beauty Brown Obsession palette, one of my favorite palettes. I'm gonna use this shade as my transition shade, taking a fluffy brush and put it on my crease. Now I'm going to take this shade and put it to my outer V. So I'm using the same brush and taking this shade. This is a warm brown shade. Put it here. I'm just dabbing this color because I want to have the punch of that warm brown color. So I'm doing it really fast because this is a very quick get ready video. Cocktail these two colors and go over the crease. And I always like to drag my transition shade towards my nose because that gives me really the catty eye look. To create more depth on my crease, I'm taking my E25 brush and taking this shade, which is like a very deep brown shade, and put it on my crease. For my inner corner, I'm gonna use this shade. I'm gonna use my finger for this. Now I'm gonna take this brown shade and go over the shimmer shade to have the blended look. So I'm done with my eyeshadow. I'm gonna go do my eyeliner and mascara and my lashes, then I'll be back. So I'm gonna do my full coverage foundation. So I moisturized my face and I'm gonna use my Smashbox Photo Finish primer. It's a good primer. Put it on my hand and create a smooth surface. For face, I'm gonna use my Mercier foundation. This is a full coverage foundation. I love full coverage foundation, so this is one of my favorite foundation. I'm gonna mix 2 shades to match my skin tone. Now I'm using my beauty blender to push the product on my skin. To avoid cakiness, using this beauty blender so that when I apply powder, my makeup will not break. Now I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in shade medium 35N. Going back to my damp beauty blender and again push the concealer onto my skin nicely. Now I'm gonna set my face and I'm gonna use my airspun translucent powder, and this is for extra coverage. Now I'm taking a brush and take off the excess from my face. Now I'm going to use my MAC Studiofix powder. This is in shade NC41. Using the powder brush and dab it. And I use this powder more often so that you can see I hit the pen. Now it's time to bronze my face, and I'm gonna use my favorite Coty palette using this shade. I'm gonna apply this highlighting powder underneath my eyes. Now I'm gonna use my contour brush and use this gray shade. I'm gonna use my chisel contour brush and take the same shade and cut my jaw. I sweat on my nose area, so I'm gonna take a little more powder. I'm using my Naked Blush palette. I'm taking the blush. I'm going back to my eye makeup and take this shade for my lower lash line. I want to blend the edge with this shade. I want to dust off the excess that I use for my nose baking. Now it's time to highlight my face using my highlighter brush. And also highlight my collarbone. Now I'm gonna apply my lipstick and we'll be back. Now it's time for the final part, setting spray. I'm using my Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. And for my body, I'm gonna use Neutrogena Beach Defense and spray on my body. And this is really good for sun protection and to look glowy. So this is the final look. I brushed my hair and I'm wearing my favorite flamingo earrings. This is really cute and matches my shirt. I hope you liked my video, and if you like it, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video. Bye!